This is Simplyshancrafts, and I'll do today for a review. I'll do a review for a toothpaste. I've been using the toothpaste almost a year. I really like it and I enjoy it because we're getting old, so my gum is so very sensitive, and every time I use a toothpaste like that, it hurts a lot when I brush it. But so that's why I tried different one. So now I found that I like it. So it really works very well. So I enjoy it every time I'm using it. My gum, so I've been using it for a year, so my gum, it's good. I didn't feel anything hurt, so I guess it works. So do you want to know what this toothpaste that I've been using for? So there you go. I'm using Sensodyne. It's really work. There you go. Yeah, because the toothpaste that I've been using before, every time I'm using it, because we're getting age, so every time I'm using it, my gum is swelling and it hurts a lot. So that's why I changed my toothpaste to Sensodyne. I really like it. If I gave a rate, I'm gonna give this 10. 1 is to 10, I give this Sensodyne for 10. Yeah, I enjoy using Sensodyne toothpaste. I like it. So there you go, Sensodyne. I give you a 10. So see you guys on my next vlog, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do, guys, and please ring the notification bell so just keep you updated every time I post my new vlog. And if you want me to do more review, guys, any kind of products, please comment below and I will do it for you. And see you guys soon in my next vlog, and hope you have enjoyed and have a good day, guys. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and comments to my blog. So there you go. Bye guys.